Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the clutch pedal sensitivity settings on your HORI track control system. So first, open up the device manager app. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to download it. Now click on the wheel, here select pedal settings. And right here we will have the clutch pedal sensitivity settings. So we can change it, as you guys can see, up to 3. And now the clutch pedal is all the way to the left. So all we gotta do is check the sensitivity now. So as you guys can see now, the sensitivity is not that great. It's much faster than it was before. And we can also change it to -3. And now, as you guys can see, it's very fast. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.